they have already committed contempt. They've already breached all these things before now. Now we are asking, why did you breach it? Why did you refuse to respect the law? So they have been the one forcing a situation of fait accompli on us.
Nnamdi Kanu is not going to get a fair trial.
Slovakia, Serbia, India with Pakistan, Uzbek, Bangladesh, so so they are
Barrister Nnamdi Kanu, one of the IPOP legal team. So actually we are going to interview him once again to bring us on what
June 19, 2024, being the latest adjourned date from the order. What transpired in court, we want to know. The Biafran family want to know as well.
Briefly, listen. What transpired in court today, we are not happy. There is still that very situation that we have been decrying from the very beginning, that Nnamdi Kanu is not going to get a fair trial. Do you understand? That is why we are raising several objections. And if he's not going to get a fair trial, there is not going to be any trial. So we have to stand on that to see whether there are other ways of settling this matter. This is where Section 17 of the Federal High Court Act came in, because everybody is now looking at an impasse, at a stalemate, that the government is probably not even interested in trial. That is why they are blocking our access as counsel to Nnamdi Kanu. They are preparing. So I'll leave the floor to my colleague here, Nnamdi Kanu, to explain further to you.
Okay, thank you very much. Well, as you may have known before now, we've made several efforts to see Nnamdi Kanu on a neutral environment where there will be no box, no cameras watching us, nobody tapping our conversation. But it has always been frustrated by the state security services of Nigeria. You know, so because of this, we brought from 48 and from 49 to charge the Director General for contempt. But as you can see what transpired in court, it appears there is an overt protection of the Director General of the DSS. We feel strongly that contempt of court has been occasioned by those refusals, by the refusals of the Director General and his men to obey the orders of court. They have refused to allow lawyers, as ordered by court, to meet with Nnamdi Kanu as a team. They've refused to give us writing materials. They've refused us a bug-free environment until we brought Form 48 and Form 49 to cite them for contempt. Then immediately, just on Friday, only on Friday, they now say, oh yeah, 3 of you can enter. Oh yeah, take paper. But they have already committed contempt. They've already breached all these things before now. Now we are asking, why did you breach it? Why did you refuse to respect the law? So they have been the one forcing a situation of fait accompli on us. They've made it impossible for us to consult with Nnamdi Kanu. You can imagine where you are asking your question, your client how to go about his defense, and they are busy around you listening. And then not only that, they will not allow you to take notes. Imagine where you have such a long conversation of like 2 hours and you cannot write anything. You can't remember everything. You can. So because of this, we brought out those applications, but the judge says she has not seen it, but it's in her file. And then she now said she will look at the file after the court had risen. Then the prosecution is saying that they were just served today. You know, all these things are not the truth. They are not the truth. But we are resolute, we are determined, we are focused on it. They must be taught to obey rules of court. Look at the orders and judgments that have been gotten on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu. From Enugu, from Umuahia, from everywhere, from Geneva, from international panels. They have refused to obey even one. Even one, they refuse to obey. And then they want us to continue to go into trial. What is the guarantee that if trial is carried on and we succeed in bringing him out, they will obey it?
Yeah.
So
I think that's about it. That's what Umu Chineke needs to know. Umu Chineke ndewo no. I ko chinchem. Nnamdi Kanu's legal team was rugede. And when he megano, no fair trial, no trial. Hacho hapwa ka bankata utu my colleague is weku. Mana a man si na azu uno we convicted Nnamdi Kanu. He can't go behind us. I am ankwe. Ndewo no. Thank you.
We are still at Federal High Court, Abuja. As you can see, today is 19th June 2024. You heard what Nnamdi Kanu lawyer said concerning today's court case.
These people know.
Yeah, got to hear your people. Yeah, okay, this is TVC, yes.
When you